Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
Everesting Base Camp, Fit Feet team of 8 girls accomplished challenge under Paritosh Mohite at Khopoli. The names of the girls will now be hosted on Everesting official website forever. Mount Everest is the highest point on earth at 29,029 feet high. Summiting Mount Everest is a dream of any athlete in the world. Everesting is the most difficult climbing challenge in the world. One can choose either of the two options: to climb entire 8,848 meters and summit Mount Everest, or to climb 4,424 meters and conquer Everest Base Camp.
The basic concept is to climb the Mount Everest. So what we did is Base Camp Achiever. The height of Mount Everest is 8848 meters and the halfway is 4424 meters. Practically for everyone it is not possible to go to Mount Everest and climb and do the achievement. So there's a club, official club called Everesting Club. They have set some rules, they have set some bylaws. Accordingly you can do it virtually also. You can do virtually in swimming also. But how do you climb in swimming? You don't have to climb in swimming. You have to swim 8,848 meters. If you swim that, you call yourself Everesting swimming. If you swim half, you call half Everesting or Everesting base camp, which is called Everest Base Camp. If you see, your t-shirt has clearly mentioned it, Everesting Base Camp, right? And the elevations yesterday, you all might have different elevation, 4520, 4580, 4512. But the t-shirt mentions clear cut 4424, because there you cannot claim कि sir मैंने इतना किया है and my certificate would show that. No, half Everesting इतना ही है. To be very frank, full Everesting as I said it is 8848. If you do 8847, then also your count will be 4424 only. You are one less than full. Either do full or get half. So no point. Now imagine if you do 8847 and somehow your battery goes off, or if you feel ki it's done, then your whole full Everesting is gone for a half Everesting. So the additional जो ऊपर का 4, 4, 2, 3 किया है वो सब पानी. Always go on a safer side. Never say कि इतना हो गया. Yesterday Vinny finished the last, right? It's not about last or first. It's about finishing.
One can also do it alternately. Pick any hill anywhere in the world and run repeats of it in a single activity until you climb 8,848 meters, the equivalent height of Mount Everest, or you climb 4,424 meters to achieve Everest Base Camp. Complete the challenge and you'll find your name in the Hall of Fame alongside the best runners in the world. This is exactly what 8 girls of Team Fit Feet have done successfully, with just 330 athletes in the world have done earlier. Of these, 20 are Indians, that include only 2 women. The team selected Bhorghat Khopoli, one of the mighty climbs in Maharashtra. To achieve the desired elevation of 4,424 meters, the runners were to run 42 to 45 laps of the ghat following intensive training. On November 27, 9 Powerpuff Girls, including a 56-year-old, were standing at the start line on Bhorghat early morning 4 am. 8 of the girls successfully conquered Everest Base Camp in times ranging from 14 to 16 hours. There are now 10 Indian females in the Hall of Fame, of which 8 are trainees of Paritosh Mohite. The successful girls include Bindu, who was the fastest with a national record of 13.25 hours, Harshala, Jay, Sheetal, Rosie, Aarti, Divya, Vinita. One more, Aparna, had to drop out for medical reasons. The team was fully supported by the Fit Feet crew, which did an outstanding job. There were celebrations and prize distribution program organized on November 28 to felicitate the winners and acknowledge the hard work by all those who made it possible, along with encouraging words. The names of the girls will now be hosted on Everesting official website forever.
So, आइए
all motivating words and just really
Huh? And you have to do it. Same, Pooja, Parvinder, Sonia, all in same boat. Divya, you are a room partner, you have to come. Hi.
but actually she came with Winnie the last two rounds. Good looking girl.
Our small child.
Small child. She was fighting with monkeys yesterday.
I'll again say a few words. The thing is, she was tense whether she will be called or not. Usually people, when you call, they try to avoid. यार कौन धूप में खड़ा रहेगा ये वो. But she was tense कि whether I'll call.
सभी वहाँ करना के साथ भागेगी उसने बोला. फिर trainer.
Just you give it to her.
My pleasure, baby.
Yeah.
आज मेरे choice है.
ऐसा भी क्रू होता है जो आने के लिए वरीड होती है मैं आ पाऊंगी या नहीं. ऐसा होता है. Right? चलो.
She told me she's coming, then she said, let me think. Sonia's bright smile, you know, yeah.
Same like again Parvinder.
Crew for life, and she's my pacer for life.
पकड़ नहीं इसको.
And
look here, 1 minute.
this is my commitment to her in whatever way. But while I did, and I'll always be there for her, I'm so proud to be part of all of you. And in somewhere, I saw yesterday my achievement was
Mr. Bandera. Again, I'll say a few words. Huh? I'll say a few words again. कि सबने अपना अपना क्रू किसी न किसी को लेके आया, कोई अपने आप को किसी के लिए नहीं, इसका कोई भी नहीं. वो सिर्फ मेरे लिए. तुम उसके भरोसे पे आए थे, लेकिन वो किसी के साथ भी सिर्फ एज अ फ्रेंड ही है. राइट? सो you should not forget it.
Thank you.
Right? This is the medal. Right? And the other side is a female runner. So, the females over here.
Awesome.
Right? It indicates your distance covered and under whose training. And training. Right? So, Parvinder, ये तुम पे. क्रू सबसे
मेडल तो
जरूरी.
आपने पहनाना चाहिए.
क्रू सबसे जरूरी. मैंने नहीं, हम
आप-
दोनों मिलके. दोनों
मिलके
मिलके.
पहनाओ.
दोनों मिलके. तू उधर पकड़ मैं इधर.
I'm so proudly taking it. Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It's everything is because of you. Yeah. Sir always takes things out of the box and
Thank you,
brings
thank
it out of
Congrats.
the box.
Appreciate that.
Thank you.
Did it fantastically. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Enjoy your pride moment.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
आजा.
Who's the boy?
Congratulations.
She's awesome. कौन है ये बता?
Here, please.
Thank you.
Wait. Yeah, fine.
Sir, age सब
एवरेस्टिंग के रिकॉर्ड में
बहुत ज्यादा है या वो भी देखना
हाँ सर
एक बार आ
वो बाद में ले लेंगे
रैंडम सब कुछ बना।
सर एवरेस्टिंग के रिकॉर्ड में शी विल एज वाइज आल्सो शी विल बी ब्रेकिंग द
अभी
रिकॉर्ड
तक
नो
तो ये।
यू हैव टू चेक
फोटोग्राफ्स आप आपके हिसाब से बाद में ले लो, अभी मैं रैंडमली
Yes,
किसी को
sir,
नहीं बुला
yes,
रहा हूँ, इसलिए मैंने कोई सीक्वेंस भी नहीं रखा।
अरे मेडल पहन ले
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन।
Here please. Thank you.
Yeah, it was your vision, which, you know, the thing. That's why this was all possible. We never even knew what Everesting was. You said, "Chalo karte hain," and we had faith in you. But without mileage, all of us had a question at some point कि ये बिना mileage का कैसे होगा? But you had faith in this, and we finished it before time, before your expectation, only because of your strength training. Even we did not have so much faith in
I'm
ourselves.
really
and the confidence
The confidence.
importantly.
So it's not a very small token from us on behalf of us.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, everybody. Yeah. So before you open, we thought this will look young, make you look younger than what you actually are. Now open.
ऐसा ओपन करते हैं ताकि रिवील भी सामने हो कैमरे में।
Unboxing. वो लोग पहनते ना, old लोग पहनते ना, white safari.
Oh wow, excellent. Yes.
Very young.
मैं अभी 2 महीने से सोच ही रहा हूँ, जाके दुकान में भी देख के आया कि मुझे लेना है करके, क्योंकि माइन अर्लियर वाज कंप्लीटली टॉर्न अप। ये देने का मतलब वही होता है कि ये हमको इच्छा यही मारना है।
देखो मार पड़ी लेकिन अच्छी मार पड़ी।
नहीं
कम से कम
सर.
नए जूते से तो पड़ी, फटे जूते से नहीं पड़ी।
नहीं सर, the message is कि keep training us, नहीं तो फिर मार पड़ेगी. हाँ.
दिस इज द फीलिंग।
जैसे प्लास्टिक निकाल दो, शाइन हो रहा है.
टाइम लगेगा
वो फिर नहीं बात है इंडिविजुअल फोटो के टाइम में
हाँ इंडिविजुअल
वैसे भी थोड़ा सा and this is for your success. Okay.
For the times when you thought you won't do it, but you did it.
There are so many corona survivors.
Thank you.
Against all odds.
And congratulations. Congratulations.
You have issue.
He's so tired of Pinketon photography.
No, no, he's very
अभी
shy,
ये
very
सर्टिफिकेट का
shy.
है ना मस्त मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन देता हूँ The certificate, the giver is the most stylish and photogenic person. It's a heavy metal. You will see.
Yes sir. Very nice.
You just touch it. Congratulations for this achievement.
Wait. Smile. Thank you.
And enjoy your national timing. This is Divya Shetty. I will call Mr. Santosh, please.
Sir का attitude. Divya smiles best.
Just look down here once. Wait.
Call कैसे
इंडिविजुअल में निकाल
Settle down. इसको नीचे आना।
ये ब्लैक को थोड़ा
दिव्या सुनो.
ब्लैक को थोड़ा
ये निकाल कर वो रिफ्लेक्शन आ रहा है सबका उसमें
Thank you.
पटवर्धन Congratulations.
Arshila, you're controlling your emotions. Just feel free.
एक टाइम रो दो एक वीडियो ले लो।
I know. Well deserved, Arshila. Well deserved. Amazing.
Proud level.
And you're the only one from Sangli. Rest everybody from Bombay, so you should be even more proud.
Congratulations. Congratulations. once again clap. सब तालियां बजाओ.
I saw these medals in Diwali when I went to Sir's house. And
चलो.
Hold the medal, smile please.
शीतल hair.
Hold the medal.
Here please.
इसका खोल के रख दो. इसका स्टार का भी मिलता है ना.
ये. Congratulations.
यहाँ पे एक
Mr. Santosh, I have lot to say. आरती
तू रो मत ना. रो नहीं रही हूँ.
पहले ले लो. What I have to say is, yesterday in our party, he has confessed he was all against this why to do and all, but he also confessed कि yesterday he was to this point कि इसको finish कराना ही है कराना. Button, please. So, husband and wife. तुम भी आ जाओ.
Vinny's friend, huh? Yeah. Hi, colleague. Okay. Great job. Vinny, let her go inside.
You are an inspiration for me and all of us, and saw your training and everything. She's so dedicated and to this.
Thank you. Thank you for being with us. नहीं संतोष, we want to dance and come.
हमारी स्कूल गर्ल.
Congratulations.
Fit Feet has done well to lead athletes on the path and encourage women to prove that they are better than the best.
Tough does last long, so do I. Tough does last long, so do I. Fit, everything.
From Khopoli with video journalist Rahul Kadam, Shanawaz Jeddi, Awaz Today.
Subscribe to Awaaz today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.